Hello traders, this is the most intense news day I can ever remember. 7 major news in 6 hours in the financial markets with the top financial event of the month, FOMC statement with the federal fund rate next. So first I would like to recap in case you missed this extremely intense news morning and what played out in our trading room. This is software for Ninja Trader 8 displayed on 3-minute chart. Trades played out on multiple other charts. All of this from our trading room. This is simplicity and purity that have shown you the alert on scanner from the bold red line. The alert on scanner came from multiple other charts. I can project software on any chart I choose. But what's so important to see, I promise you, 20 years of building my own systems, my own method, it shows you clearly. Simplicity of pure price is key. So when you're shorting bold red zone on S&P this morning, right after market open, you're a genius. I was with my students this morning in the trading room. And how viciously price reversed from reversal zone is a stunning reminder. Do not speculate. Do not gamble with your money. And remember, if you will short that slate, it's entirely different short projecting this on 1-minute chart. As we discussing with my students constantly. Obey and respect bold green zone. Correct? Bold green zone with bold green target is critical. Part reversed, trade short reversed from this level as expected. So if I bring to your attention software for Ninja Trader 8, if I project on any chart I choose, this is what software tells me currently. Ideal place to be for intelligent trader is here. 5,000 institutional buy point, as you will see in a play next. This is where billions of dollars will be traded. An intelligent trader who plays by Alpha Fibonacci rules understands quite well. This is institutional, this is retail. This is retail chop in extremely narrow trading range. So price remains stuck in retail chop with the Alpha Fibonacci software intelligent trader understands. Multiple signals on scanner constitutes institutional buying. Single alert on scanner constitutes weakness. Nothing exciting about retail chop. Everything exciting about institutional buy point, which is also confirmed on key institutional chart. So if you understand the importance of this level this morning, there is only one good thing that will happen for price to collapse to 5,000 level, or the worst case scenario to see spectacular bullish rally here. However, this is retail, this is institutional. 5,000 lifeline for institutional traders. We need to see spectacular vertical bullish rally today. 5,000 is ideal, if not monetary retail. But again, remember, software shows you clearly to the upside we're dealing with brick wall the entire 5 hours this morning. So when you concentrate on simplicity and purity and you understand, caution at retail levels. Ideally, you want to be at institutional levels. 5,040, 5,030 retail, 5,000 institutional. 5,000 was defended with vengeance on this critical key day, April 19th. So in case you missed the events in the trading room, let me bring to your attention the events before spectacular institutional rally, as we discussed all of this in the live classes. This is a crash and sell-off on April 17th. No one is surprised what's playing out, correct? We're discussing with students 5,000 lifeline for institutional loans. 5,000 lifeline for institutional investors. Billions of dollars long from this level. Intelligent trader riding the power. Intelligent trader does not short near. Since that day, price skyrocketed hundreds of points. Since that day, gamblers were reminded, stop gambling, stop shorting into institutional buy point. Use your limitless brain and ride institutional power only. So how viciously markets skyrocketed is a stunning reminder of the power of the Alpha Fibonacci method, traded globally on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. Absolutely no software on this chart, none is present. This is option traders' favorite chart. So if you decide to day trade, you're using this as a core institutional chart. If you decide to day trade, use them into the tick on retail chop. Again, proprietary levels installed on Fibonacci Retracement tool. Proprietary strategies applied. I still teach live. I live and breathe what I do. I've done so for the last 13 years, reaching students in US and 58 countries. So in case you missed oil news this morning in our trading room, this is a reminder. Oil inventories. Oil traders in Saudi Arabia, in Dubai, oil traders in London, New York, and Florida. This is the event that you missed. Retail sell point, 81. On every single chart, intelligent trader shorts it at 81. But institutional sell-off started drastically higher. Institutional sell-off started at this critical key, April 15th. And what oil will do at 72 level as crash on oil continues with extremely bearish news is a stunning reminder. When you trade your own little account or you trade hundreds of millions, you know where to ride the power from weeks and months in advance. Day trading not for you. Look at the charts once a day, once a week, once a month. Trade oil, short the sell-off, short the bearish news. And you knew this days in advance. Here's oil on multiple retail chart. If I bring to your attention week before, let's go to April 24th. This was oil at 84. This was oil a week ago. Stunning flawless short to the downside. This morning oil week later in drastically different place. Oversold, but sell-off continued from 81. And that's predictive proprietary system without any indicators. Only with proprietary tool on oil news this morning. That's it. And that's a crash, and that's intelligent trading for you. So if you can install proprietary tool on any strategy, on any instrument you choose, you can trade Bitcoin. Bitcoin in correction skyrocketed from key Alpha Fibonacci buy point. No safe haven in Amazon. Amazon collapsed 65% until Amazon buy point at 80, where Amazon skyrocketed from. Euro. Has anyone seen good news in Euro? Traders all over the world trading Euro MT4, MT5. Euro skyrocketed from 95. One of our students left Saudi Arabia and bought home in South France when Euro at the bottom. You can use system however you wish. writing the bottom to the top and shorting the top. 104, lifeline on euro. 104 is out, euro in free fall. After this level to follow, one step at a time. Buyers are worthless on euro. So as we're preparing for the biggest event of the month, we just reviewed multiple instruments. Going back to S&P to the tick again. FOMC in 4.5 minutes. All the news played out prior in our trading room. So if you would like to remember again, retail reversal zone, caution please, to the upside, you have massive brick wall. We would love for the price to collapse and crash and burn to 5,000 level. 5,000 level is drastically better than 50-30 retail. This is retail chart prior with previous 6 major news from our trading room. That reminds you again and again and again. If you want to day trade, simplicity and precision is what Alpha Fibonacci System and software are known for globally. Retail chart shows you simplicity with a single glimpse this morning. Ouch. Narrow trading range right before FOMC. Price is stuck in pain. Allow price to settle down. And remember, you demand institutional levels. If not, price stuck in retail chop, precision and rules are critical and key. First few minutes after FOMC, we will allow price to settle down. Price can skyrocket hundreds of points. Again, institutional buy point 5,000. Retail chop in a play now. I'm converting retail chart to 1 minute. This is where we are on 1 minute chart. I allow price to settle down. I understand. No institutional levels, only retail chart. I understand price in pain. I allow price to settle down. So if you're an intelligent human being, you are not gambling with your money. You operating in alpha mode. Alpha wave only. Beta wave is not a money-making machine. Next week, I'm teaching on alpha brain and what defines success. So caution please. 2 minutes before FOMC. You are very well prepared. Price and retail chop. You allow price to settle down. And only then you will consider taking a trade. Software tells you clearly, 1 minute before FOMC, retail chop, retail pain. No institutional levels, only narrow retail trading range, which means caution please. 1 minute. You're enjoying this moment, you're excited, you're very well prepared, you're a limitless, intelligent human being. You operating at ultimate success mode, as proactive, as alpha human. You have zero interest being the bottom of gamblers. You only interested to become top 1%. Alpha mode is the only mode to operate. And that's your ultimate goal. You are not throwing random trades. You are not chasing the markets. You trading markets as strategic, intelligent chess only. 20 seconds. Price and pain, retail mode. 20 seconds. Caution please. Everything is clear, no institutional levels. Key retail reversal zone, key retail support. Price is flashing green at retail levels. Intelligent trader understands the danger of the red zone. But software had shown you clearly, This remains key retail buy point. Again, very aggressive trade. Signals came out right at the time of FOMC. Rate left as is. Retail trading range remains. When you're looking at this extremely volatile events, chop and junk, very sharp jerky moves only. Again, allow price to settle down, please. Do not jump on random trades. Remember, on futures, your orders may not be filled. We knew well before FOMC, it's a retail brick wall, correct? This extremely dangerous sharp spikes back and forth, projected with the software and multiple charts. Again, I'm converting software to one so you can see how dangerous this is. As I warned you, intelligent trader allows price to settle down. Intelligent trader understands when you are trading futures, there is no guarantee on order fill. Know the instrument you trade and remember, during such important news events, system tested time and time again. We discussed before FOMC, this is retail brick wall. Bold red zone means intelligent trader would not touch long. So price remains stuck in this trading range. It's been 7 hours of this. No random targets, no random entries. Panic remains. So when this jittery panic playing out, your order fills depends on your broker, your internet connection, your account. Huge difference. Again, shorts and longs back and forth. Limited trading range, nasty market, retail only. So here we go, simplicity and precision remains. It reminds you the danger of retail brick wall, correct? News is bullish, news is positive as expected. Simplicity of the Alpha Fibonacci software had shown you, not so fast. Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, bold red line remains, ultimate brick wall. 10 minutes after FOMC, market remains in brutal retail chop and brutal retail pain, testing you to the core. More and more retail signals, caution please. Everyone, it's clear we're at the bold red zone, yes? Again, retail chop only. Institutions buying 5,000 level. Right now, only retail short. From bold red zone, RZ means reversal zone. What is the problem on shorts? Against institutions and very limited trading range remains. So if you're deciding to short the market, you have extremely limited trading range. Again, trades played out on various charts. I'm projecting software on 1 minute chart. What does this identify? Weakness. Institutions been buying market viciously from 5,000 level. As long as we remain here, this is retail chop, this is retail pain. Crash to 5,000 is a beautiful news. Bold red zone means short, means do not buy the market. So if you can stay in your lane, if you can drive, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci system with and without software. And most importantly, you will never, ever need anything else. As proven by traders all over the world, on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. So again, ultimate precision continue playing out during the most intense news event ever. 7 news, price remains stuck in retail chop, reminding you as you learn in the course the importance of this level, Bold green zone never to be ignored. Price remains stuck in retail chop in extremely limited trading range. So if you're ready to trade as intelligent strategic traders, system traded by JP Morgan traders, system traded by traders in US and more than 58 countries since 2011, I look forward working with you. You can trade the system on all platforms with proprietary rules, proprietary strategies. You do not have to come to live classes. Students in Japan and South Africa and Middle East, students in Europe viewing videos of prior live recorded classes 24/7. Currently offering savings with up to $1,000. Private mentoring being booked all the way through June. So if you're signing up for private mentoring with savings up to $8,000, please contact me first so we can book in advance. And if you are choosing the option with NinjaTrader 8 software, this is the most desirable option as option for all platforms included as well. So if you scroll below, you see all the other options available to you. For all platforms, option 1 and 3, and for all platforms with NinjaTrader 8 software included as well, option 2 and 4. This is the most popular course package for group course, savings 5,000 plus. So when you click on Students Performance and you view Students Podcast, you understand why Emmanuel brought his wife to the course. They became full-time traders. You understand why Carlton keep bringing his friends to the course. My dearest friends for life. Theo in Australia, Emmanuel, Canada, Carlton, Florida, Ken, Great Britain, London. Ken's daughter gave me the most incredible card. So when you listen to Traders Podcast and you see how Richard and David retired trading Alpha Fibonacci System, you see clearly this can be you, as Ken says time and time again, that I developed Holy Grail of trading. 20 years of building my own systems. This is what I promise you. The best things in the market are very, very simple. So when you start focusing on simplicity, the skies are the limit. As traders share time and time again. Very kind words from Brad P. I have been consistently profitable ever since I joined your program. It's really been a life changer for me. So if you're trading futures, of course you can. If you're trading options, of course you can. Trading view? Absolutely. MT4? Of course. NinjaTrader? Correct. Other platforms all over the world I never heard of. What unifies all of these incredible traders? That they make an effort and they identify the instrument appropriate for them to trade. That's it. The skies are the limit when you do. And you can trade options, of course. Or you can trade Forex. Or any instrument you choose. As Alpha Fibonacci system based on simplicity. As Alpha Fibonacci system based on indicator-free pure price. And when you trade this, the skies are the limit. As you remember forever and ever and ever to obey green and red light. That's it. If you can drive with rules, you can trade with rules. With ultimate simplicity and precision, even during most brutal, most vicious, and most powerful market conditions. So if you're serious about trading, if you want to trade as JP Morgan traders do, I look forward to working with you. Please do not hesitate to contact me for any questions. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much for spectacular news day. It's been my joy and honor to be here with you. Tomorrow, institutional class. I look forward to seeing you there as my incredible student.